with my introduction. Myself Sharma Chitra and I am your EVS teacher. So students, our new academic 2001-2022 started. So let's welcome to back our studies. Now today we'll start our new chapter. The name of our chapter is What Did Poonam See? Before that, one question is rising in my mind. What are the things you see in our environment? Do you know about environment? What is environment? What are the things are available in our environment? You can see here. Now students, when you go out, you can see different type of animals, plants, buildings and buildings. So students, do you like animals? Yes, we all like animals. Do you have animals in your home? Yes, some of you have animals in your home. Now animals. Animals, see here, an animal is a common word used for insects, birds, reptiles, mammals. What is given? An animal is a common word used for insects, birds, reptiles, mammals. It means we can use animals for these things, okay? For birds also, insects also, reptiles also and mammals also. Now students, here we learn about small insects which are moved from one place to another place. Can you mention me the name of small insect that we have seen in our environment? The small insect like dragonfly, housefly, mosquitoes and ants. Now students, we will learn about here birds. Do you like birds? Yes, we all like birds. Now students, you can see here the different type of birds. Some of that like parrot, pigeon, crow. Now children, do you heard the name mammals? You know about anything about mammals? Yes, mammal means the animal, those who give the birth to their young ones, that is called mammals. For example, like cow, goat, dog, etc. Now students, we all are living our house. Okay, similarly, likewise, animals also have their own place to live. That is called habitats. Now, we can classify the different type of animals in different categories. Let me see here which are the classified how. So students, see here, first is our terrestrial animal. Now, what are terrestrial animals? The animals who live on land like cow, goat, okay, etc. etc. In the same way, second is our aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means those animals who live in water like fish, shark, dolphin, octopus. These all are called aquatic animals. Those who are living in water. Yes. Now, third number is our arboreal animal. Arboreal animal, those who live on tree. Yes. So, which animal live on tree? Like monkey, squirrel. Clear? Now, fourth number is our amphibian animals. Amphibian animals, those were animals who live on both in land and in water, like frog, turtle. Clear? Now students, here we learn about the method of eating or drinking water of animals. There are different type of animals can use different ways or can drink different ways. Some animals can drink or eat with mouth, some of tongue, some can use their beaks, some can hold the food in the front of their paw and after then they can eat. So we can see here the varieties of eating method or drinking water, how animals can eat their food and drink. Here I will give you one story which is our textual story. It is given. So here the story of girl. The name of our girl is Poonam. Yes. Now Poonam was live in home. Why? Because she was sick. So she tell her mother, let Mama, please let me go to school. I feel bored at home. But her mother was denied. Why her mother was denied? Because she was suffering from fever. So her mother told her to go outside and sleep on coat. Now what Poonam had did? Poonam went outside and she fell asleep on coat. Coat means here we can say चारपाई जो बोलते हैं ना हम उसे कोट बोलते हैं. Clear? Now as Poonam asleep on the outside, it means under the tree she was sleeping. Suddenly something fell on her face. Now what happened? Poonam woke up and she touched her cheek. Yes. Now she shouted, "Oh, who do this mischievous? Is it so crow or pigeon?" Now one question is clicking her mind, that is it so crow or pigeon. Now what happened? Poonam look at upside up. It means on the tree. At that time she saw many animals were sitting on the tree. So I will show you here which animals are sitting on the tree now. Now we can see here the different type of animals are sitting on over the trees. See, in the left hand side there is a pigeon. In between there is monkey. In the right hand side there is sparrow, butterfly, parrot, stork. So here we can see the different type of animals were sitting over the tree where Poonam sit. I show you right now the animals, different type of animals sitting on the tree. So now what happened? Poonam feel uncomfortable, so she pick up one leaf and clean her cheek. Still she was feeling uncomfortable because there is a stickiness on her face. So she thought, let I go to the pond, nearby the pond, to wash her face. It means she would go to the pond and washing her face. At that time she saw different type of animals, other different type of animals were there. She saw the buffaloes, the goats, the turtle, the cranes, different type of animals. Let me see which animals she saw. Now children, when Poonam come near by the pond for wash her face, at that time she saw another land animals. Okay, let me see here which are they. See here goat, turtle, buffaloes, frog. So here we see different type of animals were nearby the pond, and one girl also sit nearby the pond and playing with the water. Clear? The sound of different animals. So see here some sound of animals I have shown you here. So first is here monkey. So what the sound of monkey is? Chatter. Yes. Second is squirrel. Squirrel's what sound? Squeak. Then here it is cow. What the sound of cow do? Moo. Yes. Then frog. What is the sound of dog? Croak. And last is here I have given sparrow. So chirp. So we have seen here different type of birds and animals are doing different sounds. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have doubt or any query regarding this chapter, you can ask me in the live session. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye everyone.